Want a modded Minecraft server? In 60 seconds we'll build one with Forge. First, download the Forge installer matching your Minecraft version from the official site. Run the installer, select to install server, and choose an empty folder for server files. Open the new folder and run the Forge jar to generate essential files like eula.txt and server.properties. Next, download compatible mod jar files and place them into the server's mods folder. Make sure Forge and all mods match the same Minecraft version to avoid startup errors. Open server.properties and set your game mode, max players, and level name as desired. Edit the start script to allocate RAM, like Java XMX2 gjar forge.jar-nogi. Forward TCP port 25565 on your router to your PC's local IP for friends to connect. Start the server, test local connection, then share your external IP or use a dynamic DNS for friends. If crashes occur, check logs, remove conflicting mods, and verify Java versions. You're ready, enjoy your modded world and invite friends to join. Subscribe for more tutorials.